Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minute Kitchen with Shraddha. Today we are going to make complete keto lunch. Deep fried spinach bread known as puri with okra masala. Let's start. Firstly we will blanch spinach to preserve its color, flavor and nutritional value. For this we will wash the spinach leaves to get rid of the dirt. Now bring water to boil and place spinach leaves into it. Submerge these spinach leaves with the help of a spoon and let it boil for not more than 1 minute. Otherwise it will turn dark. Now lift up the blanched leaves and dunk into the ice water. Ice water will stop the cooking process and retains its nutrients. After a minute, lift up these leaves and place in a bowl. We will not squeeze the extra water as we are going to directly use this in making dough. Blanching process is done and now we will make the dough in step 2. Take a mixing bowl and add half cup coconut flour, almond flour, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt, olive oil, 2 tablespoons psyllium husk, Greek yogurt and blanched spinach. Give it a good mix. You can also blend blanched spinach into a smooth puree if you like it that way. Add water and knead the mix to make smooth and semi-soft dough. Cover it with kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we will make okra masala in step 3. Properly wash and dry 300 grams okra. Remove both the ends and cut into small pieces. Thoroughly drying okra is the very important part in cooking okra without the slime. Heat up the pan and add 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, cumin seeds, pinch of asafoetida. It helps reduce bloating and also an age-old medicine for many stomach problems. Chopped green chili and onion. Saute it for a minute. Add and mix turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt. Now comes okra. Give all a good mix and let it cook for couple of minutes. Do not cover the okra while cooking as it will trap steam and increases the moisture which will eventually make okra slimy. Let it cook for couple of more minutes and okra masala is ready now. In step 4, we will deep fry spinach breads. Dough is rested for 30 minutes. Now we will make small balls from the dough. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a round ball, then flatten it by gently pressing with your hands. Place parchment paper on a flat surface. Put the disc over it. Then place one more parchment paper on the top and roll with a roller. Now use a small bowl to give it a perfect round shape and take out the extra dough. Heat oil in a pan and check if oil is ready for frying puri. Drop a tiny piece of dough in oil. It is bubbling and floating to the top, which means the oil is just right and it's time to fry. Now, gently slide the spinach puri into the oil. We will see bubbles and the puri will start floating on the oil. Gently press puri and turn over and let it fry until it gets golden brown in color. remove puri and place it on a kitchen paper towel. Time to serve crispy okra with spinach puri. Also add low carb salad, slices of radish and cucumber. Our low carb lunch is ready now. Please enjoy it with your family and loved ones. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first to catch all the new recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching.